If you want to ensure healthy and abundant tomato yields, these tips for planting tomatoes will help. It's not uncommon to see tomato seedlings struggle after planting, but with proper care, you can revive them and set them up for success. Before planting, soak the tomato roots in water. This hydrates the plant and prepares it for the transplant shock. Adding a spoonful of sugar to the water can also help revitalize the plants quickly. When planting tomatoes, ensure you bury them deep. Dig a hole about 25 to 30 centimeters deep, burying 2/3 of the tomato plant underground. This encourages root growth along the stem, leading to stronger plants. Prior to planting, consider adding organic fertilizer to the soil. Adding a spoonful of a specific powder, rich in essential nutrients for tomatoes, such as wood ash or bone meal, to each hole can significantly benefit the plants. Wood ash provides potassium and calcium carbonate, which regulate soil acidity and provide essential minerals for tomato plants' growth. Potassium is vital for fruit development and overall plant health. Bone meal, on the other hand, is rich in phosphorus, promoting root development, flowering, and fruiting in plants. Phosphorus facilitates energy transfer within the plant and plays a crucial role in fruit formation and ripening. One common issue with growing tomatoes is fruit rot at the bottom, caused by calcium deficiency. This can result from low soil pH or improper watering practices. Supplementing with bone meal or wood ash can help address this deficiency naturally. When watering tomatoes, avoid wetting the leaves and stems as they don't like it. Instead, water directly at the roots. One effective method is burying a plastic pot or bottle with holes near the roots to deliver water directly where it's needed, ensuring deep watering without wetting the surface soil. Lastly, if you find these tips helpful, consider supporting our work by liking the video and clicking the bell icon. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you.